Hello everyone. In this program, we'll classify aggregate based on aggregate impact value, and the values of impact are given here. So firstly, let's Control C to copy the program and Control V in the VS Code editor. Now commenting out the entire program description part in the VS Code and make it in the multiple lines. So let's start writing the programs. Firstly, we have to define a function. It will be calculate underscore, say the function will be calculate soil class, and we will pass the impact value as a variable. And within the function we will take a dictionary that will be impact value dict. It will be, and write equal to, and within the curly braces provide the values. So the highest value is 30. So 30, it will be, if it is greater than 30, then we will write weak. For we will write the comments weak for road surface, provide comma. If it is greater than 20 or equal to 20, we will write acceptable for road surface. If the value is greater than 10, we will write actually it's not actually soil classification for aggregate. Write it as aggregate. We will write strong. If the value is less than 10, that is greater than 0 but less than 10, we will write exceptionally strong. So that's it all about the values. And outside the dictionary we have to iterate using key. So for key in our impact value dict dot keys, we will iterate within the keys. And if our impact value is greater than or equal to key, if it is greater than or equal to key, then we will return the dictionary value. The dictionary is impact value dict, and within that we will pass the key so that we can get the values. And else will be outside of the for loop, else it will return invalid value. So outside of the function we have to write that our impact value, put a value, say our impact value is 16. In that case our result will be stored in the result variable called the calculate aggregate class function, and within this function we will pass the impact value. And we want to print as a formatted text the aggregate has impact value, the impact value we input. Within the curly braces we have to write the impact value, and it is, we want to display the result, and the quotation. So that's it all about the program. So let's go to file, save, and go to run without debugging. You can see in the terminal the aggregate has impact value 16 and it is strong. Say our impact value is 25. Then Control S to save it, Control F5 to run it. You can see that in the terminal the aggregate impact value has impact value 25 and it is acceptable for node surfaces. So let's make some correction. Surfaces, write it surfaces. So save it. So that's it all about the program. So using this program we use dictionary function and using for in loop within the dictionary to generate the result from the dictionary, obtain the result from the dictionary and display the result in the terminal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.